Have you been looking for winter staples that are high quality without the luxury price tag? And this is going to be the video for you. All the outfits I show will be up in the QR code, and down below you can find all the details down below. So let's get started. My first luxury item I wanted to show you, I'm actually wearing it right now and I really like it, and I don't think a lot of you, maybe you have, but I have never heard of yak wool. Have you heard of 100% yak wool? This is a pontil detailed relaxed crew neck. Now, I did size up to large, as you're gonna see here. It doesn't feel large. It was kind of cropped on her, and I wanted a little bit bigger, a little bit flowier. I thought it'd be a little bit longer than I got, as I show you right here. I did get it in the starry navy night. I absolutely love this sweater. This is the third time I wore it. I don't know if you know this, but yak wool is more durable. It is warmer. It's actually more breathable than cashmere, if you can believe it or not. I love this blue color. It's got a hint of maybe some black yarn in there. I wore it the other day with like black pants and it looked really cute, and I just threw it on with this navy and white button down because I just kind of wanted a layered look today. This one is new to Quince, and it's like one of their new arrivals, and it's so nice. The sleeves are kind of billowy. It's kind of pontil net. It's got a detail on the side, but it goes with so many things, and I think navy is so flattering on a lot of people's skin tones. But anyways, I picked this up. Y'all need to try their yak wool. They have quite a few items in the yak wool, in which I wanted to mention that I wore it out the other day and it was really cold, and I only had a tank top underneath and it was cold. I did not wear a jacket because I was trying to see how warm and I was absolutely warm, which is kind of crazy to think, but it is the difference between cashmere and this, other than what I just said a few minutes ago, is that it's a little thicker. It's a little thicker and heavier feeling than the $49 cashmere sweaters. So the other item I wanted to talk about is the Mongolian cashmere oversized sweater. Now this one is a little bit more, this one is a little bit higher price. And the difference is, and I got a medium, which that's my true to size. The difference is it's just a heftier quality, I think, because when you touch the $49 one and then you feel the oversized Mongolian cashmere, it's just got more of a weight. I did buy it in this gray color because I feel like it goes with so many. It's just a closet staple for sure. Say, like, as you see it on me, it's kind of already oversized. So if you want it bigger than that, I would say size up or stay true to size, because this is going to be an oversized sweater, but I really like it for like layering. I think it looks good under blazers. I just love their cashmere, and I wanted to try the oversized cashmere, but it's got a thicker neck ribbing around here that I really like on it. And also, these are great presents, by the way, FYI, because I have bought a couple of these for some people in my family. They really wanted the oversized. This is a cashmere square scarf, okay? This is how big it is. I had to wait for this. It was out of stock, and then I put it on there that to notify me, and it came right back into stock. I got the light heather gray, but there's actually a burgundy one that's really pretty. These are like really trendy. Sometimes you just don't need a huge scarf, especially if you're in a climate that's cold but not super freezing and you just want it around your neck. Pair it like this and actually put like a little ring right here if you want to wear it over your coats, over your sweater. I think these are so cute, and I like that it's not super oversized. It's cashmere, it's luxury looking, that is so affordable. I think it was under $35. I think it's so cute, but they have several different colors that will go with all kinds of things. But I just love this, and even if you wanted to just kind of wear it around your neck like this and keep it kind of warm in your coat, because that's where a lot of your warmth is going to be, is around your neck. That's a way you can wear it. But I just picked this up because I feel like this is a closet staple, especially cashmere. And it's a lighter version. It's not, you can kind of see through it. It's a lighter version, a lightweight one, which I really, really love. So sometimes I just don't need all that heavy do. But if anything is out of stock, just make sure to join the wait list, because it will, I mean, I literally joined the wait list and then next day it was already back in stock. So they will restock these for sure. The next thing I picked up that's a closet staple is a cotton cashmere ribbed long sleeve sweater. I wanted to try this out because, you know, you get a lot of the cotton ones or stuff like that. And I wanted a rib one that was a little thicker, a little like weightier. I did ride my true to size. It fits. Now it fits, it's going to fit more snug looking. It's not going to be oversized and billowy. That's not the way this a long sleeve sweater. To me, it's a sweater, and that's nice. I mean, it is made out of cashmere and stuff and cotton, but I don't feel like it's like sweater material. It's just a nice luxury basic top that you can wear with your dress pants to go to work, under sweaters. If you're really cold, you can double layer this up because it is like tighter fitting through the body. I bought black because I kind of wanted to try it out and see how it worked. Jeans, you can just put it with jeans and a blazer, a belt, and denim. You can obviously dress this up, but I think this is a great basic, and it was under $40 for a cotton and a cashmere long sleeve sweater. They had a plethora of colors. I love this. This is definitely a staple in my closet. Next thing I wanted to try, I've been into some vests and stuff like that since I like to layer, but some days are not as cold as others, and this is the way you can do it. And I like the V-neck on this. I think it's really cool, and it's got the rib textured look on the front end of it. I love that. It's not so flat, but I got my true to size. I kind of wanted it a little bit more oversized. I bought a navy one from, where did I get that one? I think H&M. That's a little lighter and it's a little bigger. This one isn't fitted, but it's not as oversized. So if you're wanting more of an oversized look, I would definitely go up a size, but to layer a white button up or even a black or a cream turtleneck, a white turtleneck, anything like that, you can layer up with this will look really good. I wanted to try it, and it's very nice. It's got a nice weight to it. And I did buy it in the heather bone, which to me looks more like a cream, if I would say so. It definitely looks more cream. Let's talk shoes. I haven't bought any shoes from Quince. This is going to be my first pair of shoes. These are the clogs. These are the shoes that are supposed to look like the Birkin, I think the Boston clogs. These are real suede. They're water repellent. I would say they're true to size, and they're not overly big on the front when you wear them with your like wide leg. I would say wear these with more of a wide leg jean to give you that beefy look up here. But these are very comfortable, very nice, very nicely made. As you can see, I haven't worn them yet, but they are true to size for sure. This is the color Dune, so it's the lightest of the three. It's so pretty, so comfortable. If you don't want to spend $180, these were $74. I wouldn't say these are super classic, but these are great to slip on, to run around. If you're not into like the Uggs or anything like that, I think this is a great option. I think this is a great option for Christmas as well. I think these are great. I think these are worth every penny of $75. I don't even know, can you buy them on Amazon less than $60? I don't know, but these are way more worth it because they are true suede and they're water repellent. If you're a sock lover, you're gonna want some of these. They are the cashmere sock. They are so nice. They are so luxury. I mean, once you have cashmere, you know what that means when it touches your skin. It's just soft, supple. I mean, to me, it's like, reads cozy. It just feels so good. When I heard that Quince had cashmere socks, these are supposed to be like the Jenny Kane and the naked cashmere. I mean, those are like almost $80 and these are like $29. You won't want another pair of regular cotton socks anymore. So once you buy these, you're going to be hooked, but they're nice and they got a bunch of different sizes and colors, and shorter ones or even longer ones if that's what your jam is. But these are just the trouser socks, so they look good with like trousers and pants and all that kind of stuff. So if you can see your socks, you'll want to wear these around the house. I'm telling y'all right now, y'all just gonna want to wear these as like with your house shoes. I also want to talk about their stretch crepe classic trouser pant. I reordered a size bigger, which honestly, I had a 6 and I went to 8. I don't think there's much difference in them, to be quite honest, except I bought the wrong length again. I bought the 32 and I don't really want to wear them with heels. I want to wear them with like sneakers and stuff like that. So maybe third time's a charm to return them and get my right length. But I would say these aren't true to size. I would say you need to size up by one size, but I couldn't tell a difference between the 6 and the 8. There wasn't I wanted them more slouchier. I don't think I can get them more slouchier. But anyways, I really like these. I got this in this cream sand color because I love to pair the creamy sand with like a black top or a black blazer and black shoes. Actually, I like that look all year round, but I really like it in the wintertime. I think it looks very classic and chic because typically you see people wear black pants with white shirt. I like the opposite. I think the opposite looks way chicer. And anyway, so that's why I picked up the pants, and I want them where I can wear my sneakers with them. So my next item are the Cashmere straight leg. These are pants. I think they're more like, I have the zip up that goes with it with the hoodie. It's just like a really relaxed weekend look. So when you wear these, you will love them. You will love them. They feel so good. They feel so comfortable. They are so soft to the body. It's ridiculous. I've got the zip up so I can wear with blazers and stuff like that. I like the look of a blazer with a zip up and a hoodie, and this is the way to do it, elevated style. But I love this. They have them in brown. I got it in gray. You can get a black. The only thing I don't like is that tie, which I just kind of stick. I flip it over. I don't like a tie on pants, even though they're supposed to be like a relaxed fit. It's just something I don't like about them. But I highly recommend these Cashmere straight leg pants. You'll wear them around your house all the time. You'll want them in all the colors. They're so nice. Let's talk about coats. Now, I bought my daughter, I'll have a side-by-side. It's the wool and cashmere one from Aritzia. It was around $350. It's really nice. Now, I bought her a size small. I was able to fit in that and feel good. And like you can put a sweater on or something else underneath with it. I feel like those coats run big actually. And it was when I put it on. But I bought this one for $200, I think. And it is a wool and cashmere as well. It's very, very soft. This is the wool and cashmere single breasted. Now, I will say I bought a large because it was saying it's more of a tailored fit. And I knew I wanted to wear like sweaters with a shirt underneath. I wanted to be able to get other things underneath it. If you don't care about that, you don't want to wear a blazer or a thick sweater or a 3 shirts underneath the sweater, then buy your true to size. My true to size would have probably been a medium in this, but I went ahead and bumped it up to a large, and it's perfect. It's perfect. It is so nice and so luxury looking, very, very soft. I'm telling you, why would you spend $350 when you can spend $200? And they've got so many colors, beautiful colors. It's just a one button, very simple, very classic. It will live in your closet forever because it's just that classic design. It's not oversized. It's kind of more of a slim fit. I really would love the full cashmere wrap coat, but I feel like that might just be too much for here. I just don't know if I would wear it that much because cashmere is very warm. I'm just not sure if I wear it. But so if you live like Chicago or anywhere it's really, really cold, I would definitely check out their full cashmere coat. I will have it linked below. But I would definitely check out Quince and their coats. They have some fabulous, just very staple, like staples for your closet that live in your closet. They've got alpaca wool, they got alpaca, they got wool, they got cashmere, they got merino wool, Italian wool, which that's just going to be a little heftier and a little nicer. Majority of their coats are under $200, which you cannot find that anywhere. I mean, you're talking H&M synthetic polyester is around $200 and something. So I would definitely highly recommend looking at Quince and all their coats, especially as winter arrives and we need to keep warmer. I mean, I'm even talking like I got their wool blazer that I really love. I think it's their Italian wool. It's really thick and hardy, so I can definitely wear that when it's on the chillier side versus a very heavy coat when it's like windy and cold. Check out their line of blazers and coats. They're so nice. I would say that is definitely one of the things I would definitely pick up from Quince. Chef Kiss, they know how to make these items. I've been so impressed with Quince and all the things that I have bought from there. I mean, Christmas is all Quince from everybody. I got so many sweaters and scarves and hats and everything cashmere. Everyone's getting something cashmere for sure from me because I just feel like it's a very staple thing and it's something a lot of people don't want to spend money on, you know? They don't want to spend money and they haven't even heard of Quince. So I love to give Quince sweaters as gifts because I feel like $50 is like, I mean, who doesn't want a cashmere sweater? But anyways, that is my haul. That is all I have. I hope you like the style edit and all the affordable pieces that I found. Until next time, all right, bye.